All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I installed some LED lights, headlights, the headlights and the fog lights. So these are super easy. You know, right here, just I think all the trucks of this here, pickup trucks, SUVs, they all have this where you just pull it up, both of these, then the headlight comes out. So super easy, no bolts that you have to remove. And the fog lights, well, you just gotta go underneath the vehicle and remove it. So, but yeah, super easy. These are I think 9006. I only did the low beam and the high, these over here, the fog lights. I didn't do the high beam. So, but yeah, so I know it's kind of daytime, won't be able to see anything. I also did the interior LEDs, but can't really see anything probably till later on. Yeah, I'll show a little flip later on. That's the interior. It's about 5:30 in the afternoon. Can't really see how bright it is, but that's how it looks during the daytime. Maybe I'll show you guys later on. Make another video, but yeah, check it out. I think they're pretty bright. We'll see at night. And also, did these. I'll show you guys how it looks at night. Oh, the reverse lights also. And these, you just go on Amazon and put in the vehicle, you get the whole. And these also. So see that? But yeah, I'll show you how it looks at night. Okay. Those are the reverse. Alright guys, this is how it looks. Bright LEDs. And that is the front. actually has another one right here. Oops. Nothing, that one turns on different. But yeah. Check it out. High beams. I'm thinking about doing the high beams also. Not that I really use it, but but yeah. Anyway, all right, guys. Well, I thought I'd show you guys. Anybody wants to do LED lights, how it looks very easy. I think I spent like 90 bucks, if not less. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications for more videos. I'm gonna be uploading. I think I'm gonna change a few things on the Yukon. So I might add up a few accessories here and there. So subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll do that in the next few weeks. Okay, guys. All right. See you. Peace.